Maybe I'll ask Dr. Benjamin if you wanted just to come up. I'll ask you to give the couple any closing thoughts you might have. But while you're coming up, I will just say how pleased I am with how today went and the fantastic discussion we just had, and just share three of my own thoughts first. Well, I think what we heard today is we did not hear people who were trying to change the standards of evidence. They're actually trying to get people to pay attention. We're all trying to get people to pay attention to the evidence that exists, because the evidence that exists for policies at work is quite strong and compares very well to, in many cases, exceeds the evidence that supports other kinds of interventions for similar challenges or even violence itself. Number two is, while it's important to have more research, there is a lot of evidence, and you don't need perfect knowledge of everything in order to take action. And so we really heard very clear recommendations based on the research that exists, even though it's very important to continue to push the envelope in terms of understanding what works. And then number three, I think there's every reason to believe, what we heard was that this has been an area of very little money and very little research, really. And even with that, we have real knowledge about what can save many lives. There's every reason to believe that with further investment, we can answer and improve some of the challenges that we know are still there. Challenges like how to best enforce some of the different legislation around guns. Challenges like how to get hospitals to effectively implement some policies that can reduce recidivism and injury. Challenges like improving policing practices and community trust, and how to maintain fidelity of models of community-based intervention so that more communities can benefit over time. All of these things are possible. And today, I hope, was an opportunity for people to really not just get a vision of what can be accomplished with what we know today, but just the fact that we can be, as a nation, on a trajectory for substantial improvement.